Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I'm doing long square polygel nails and I'm using clear polygel from Roslyn, light apricot polygel from Macart, and Beetle's base coat, as well as this hot pink number 778 from Beetle's. I start by applying a thin layer of the Beetle's base coat to each nail. Then I'm going to cure these nails for 60 seconds. I'm starting off with the light apricot poly gel, and it's actually from Model Ones, not Macart. And I apply a nice amount across the top of the nail. And I'm using isopropyl alcohol as my slip solution. And I use my brush to gently push back the poly gel and pat it in place so it covers the nail completely. And fun fact, this brush is actually a cleanup brush that I purchased from my local beauty supply. However, it's thick and larger than the normal polygel brush, so I like it. And once the polygel completely covers the nail, I use my nail brush to get the product as smooth as possible before curing for 60 seconds. I decided to do a gel polish ombre on my index finger, so I applied 2 coats of this Beetle's pink polish. Then I apply a layer of top coat, and I make sure to cure for 60 seconds in between each layer. And then I use the light apricot polygel on my nail bed to ombre it into the pink color. Then I'm going to use the Roslyn clear polygel on the rest of the nail. I use the clear polygel on my middle finger, and again I use my brush to pat the polygel so that it completely covers the side walls and the top of the nail. I try to keep my brush pretty wet because for me the product works better that way. ombreing the apricot into the clear. So I start off with the clear polygel on the tip of the nail. I'm also doing nail art on this nail, so the ombre doesn't have to be too perfect at all, just a nice blend. And these are how the nails look after I've applied and cured the polygel. And I filed and shaped these nails off camera, and this is how they turned out. So cute. And I apply 2 thin layers of this pink polish to the middle finger, curing for 60 seconds in between. Then on the ring finger, I use that same pink polish to go diagonally across the nail, just enough to cover the ombre. Then I use white gel polish and a nail art brush to place the white in random spots on the nail. Then I dip my brush in a little acetone because I wanted to create a marble-like effect on this nail with the white gel polish. Then I apply a thin layer of the Beatles top coat. I decided at the very last minute that I wanted to add gold flakes as well. So before I cured that layer of top coat, I went ahead and added gold flakes. And these are how the nails turned out. I love them, and I've been enjoying using Polygel lately. Also, I completed this set with my non-dominant hand, and they turned out so cute. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next nail video.